baking soda,
Coloring food.
red coloring food, and vinegar. We don't need the water. Okay. First, we're going to be using
Some.
1 spoon of flour.
Yeah.
Putting it in the cup.
Yeah.
And 1 spoon of baking soda. Next, we will be needing 2 drops.
Just 2 drops.
See? Will be like this.
Yeah.
Next, for the final thing,
We're gonna put some vinegar. So look, she's gonna put so much that it will have to explode. Look. It's exploding. Is it gonna explode? Oh! So do this at home, kids, if you like it. We're gonna put some more
I don't want to tell
vinegar.
my mom.
Put some more vinegar.
No.
Yeah.
When you put it, don't put more. Bye, kids.
Bye.